All right, quiz 14 study guide. Problem number 1. Ask you which labeled angle has the greatest measure. We've only got 3 angles to look at here, and we talked about this week, is that this exterior angle is equal to the sum of its 2 remote interior angles. So if it's equal to the sum of angle 1 and angle 2, then it has to be greater than angle 1 and angle 2. So angle 3 is the largest, or I'm sorry, has the greatest measure. Problem number 2. Name the smallest angle in the triangle. Well, the smallest angle is opposite the shortest side. So the shortest side is side CB. So the angle opposite of CB doesn't have a C or a B in it. So it's angle A. All right, problem number 3. 3 security cameras were mounted at the corners of a triangular parking lot. So if you draw a triangular parking lot and you label the vertices 1, 2, and 3, because they're numbering the cameras in this question. All right, camera 1 is 158 feet from camera 2. So camera 1 to camera 2 is 158. Which is 121 feet from camera 3. So this is 121. Camera 1 and 3 were 140 feet apart. So 140. Which camera had to cover the greatest angle? The camera that had to cover the greatest angle is opposite the longest side. So our longest side is 158. So camera 3 is the one doing all the work. Angle 3 or camera 3 will cover the widest angle because it's opposite the longest side in the triangle. Now, let's see, you can't really see that yet. All right, problem number 4 is another problem where we're going to be drawing a triangle. So it's talking about JK and Ray. So we're going to draw a triangle, label the vertices with a J, a K, and an R. And then the question says that J could see K, then turn 75 degrees to see Ray. That makes this angle here at J 75 degrees. K could see Ray, then turn 50 to see J. So that makes K 50 degrees. And then Ray, the R, could see J, turn 55 degrees to see K. So here's our 55 degree angle. Which two were furthest apart? The people that were furthest apart are opposite the largest angle. So the side opposite of the largest angle is side RK. So Ray and K are the furthest apart. And Ray and K are also K and Ray. Everybody all right so far? Number 5. Find the length of AB, given that DB is a median. If DB is a median goes from a vertex to the opposite side, and it splits it in half. So AB is congruent to BC. You're told that AC is 26, so this piece is 26. And you need to find the length of AB. So AB equals 1/2 of 26. And half of 26 is 13. Problem number 6. In triangle ACE, G is the centroid, and BE is 9. So B to E is the entire median, right? If you know the entire median, we said that you could take the entire median divided by 3 and it gives you the short piece. So short piece, which is BG, equals the entire median, which is 9 divided by 3. And what's 9 divided by 3? 3. So if the short piece is 3, anybody remember how to find the long piece? Multiply it by 2. So GE is equal to 3 times 2, which is 6. All right, and 6 plus 3 equals 9, so we're good. All right, problem number 7. I'm going to leave it a little bit down here so I can use this white space. All right, here's what we got. Triangle ABC. Centroid D is on median AM. Median AM starts at A, goes to the opposite side, and it bisects it. So we can draw in AM. Centroid D is on AM. So here's the centroid. It's approximately 2/3 of the way down. AD is x plus 4. A to D is x plus 4. D to M is 2x minus 4. So D to M is 2x minus 4. Find AM. We need to find the length of the entire median. All right? This is all we know. That's not enough information yet. So we're going to add to that. We're going to say that AD is also equal to 2/3 of AM, which is the length of the whole median. And D to M is equal to 1/3 of AM. Agreed? The short piece is equal to 1/3 of the entire median. The long piece is equal to 2/3 of the entire median. So what we can do now is write two equations. And since we have a 2/3 AM that equals AD and an x plus 4 that equals AD, then 2/3 AM is equal to x plus 4. Same for the bottom part. 1/3 AM equals DM, and 2x minus 4 is equal to DM. That makes 1/3 AM equal to 2x minus 4. So now in Algebra 1, you did systems of equations. We've got a system of equations here. So we're going to solve We're going to solve for one of the variables, and then we're going to substitute it. And here's what I mean. We've got these two equations. We're allowed to add these equations together. All right, so 2/3 AM plus 1/3 AM gives us 1 AM. We don't need to write the 1 in front of the AM. So AM is equal to x plus 2x is 3x, and 4 minus 4 is 0. So AM is equal to 3x. So watch. If AM is equal to 3x, we take AM and we substitute it right here. And we get 2/3, we get 2/3 times AM, which is 3x, is equal to x plus 4. So now we have one equation all in one variable. So what's 2/3 times 3? 2. So 2/3 times 3x is 2x, and it's equal to x plus 4. So subtract x from each side, and we get an x that's equal to 4. So now that we know what x is equal to, we need the length of the entire median. So I'm going to substitute, I'm going to find dm first. D to m is equal to 2 times 4 minus 4, which makes dm equal to 8 minus 4, which is 4. And AD is equal to 4 plus 4, which equals 8. So our AM is equal to 12. And it all makes sense because our short piece is half of our long piece, and our long piece is twice as big as our short piece. Alrighty, number 8. Name a median for ABC. A median goes from a vertex to the middle of its opposite side. All right, so C to E. Nothing in here says that E is in the middle of this side. And then we've got A to F. Well, A to F is that's an altitude. It doesn't split side CB in half. But look at BD, B to D. D is in the middle of side AC. So BD is a median. Vertex to the middle of the opposite side. Vertex to the middle of the opposite side. Median, think of middle. All right? Vertex to the middle. Problem number 9 asks you to find the second largest of 4 angles. Second largest of 4 angles. If the side included by angle 1 and 2 is 11, the side included by angle 1 and 2 is 11. The side included by angle 2 and 3 is 16. So 2, 3, this side's 16. And the side included by angle 3 and angle 1 is 14. So 14. We're looking for the second largest angle. We know that this exterior angle is the largest, so we're not going to use it. Now we need the largest angle inside this triangle. Isn't it going to be opposite the longest side? So that makes the second largest angle, angle 1. Problem number 10. List the sides of triangle ABC in order from shortest to longest. The sides of triangle ABC. Wow. In order to list the sides, we need angle measures. In order to get angle measures, we need to solve for x. So we've got this angle A, that's 9x minus 7. Angle B is 7x minus 9. And angle C is 28 minus 2x. What do these three angles sum? 180. So if we take 9x plus 7x is 16x minus 2x, we get 14x. If we take 28 minus 7 minus 9, we get 12. So 14x plus 12 is equal to 180. We just combine the like terms from the three expressions that represented the angles. So if we subtract 12 from each side, then 14x equals 168, and divide by 14, x equals 12. So now we're going to go back to each angle and substitute a 12. So angle C is equal to 28 minus 2 times 12. And 28 minus 2 times, that should be a 12, not a 112. (28 minus 24 is 4. So angle C is 4 degrees. Angle A is 9 times 12 minus 7. And I get 101. And then angle B is 7 times 12 minus 9. Which is 75 degrees. All right, so we need shortest to longest. The shortest side is opposite the smallest angle. So our shortest side is AB. Our longest side is opposite the largest angle. So our longest side is BC. And the remaining side is side AC. All right, and last but not least, we got number 11. List the sides in order from shortest to longest. Shortest side is opposite the smallest angle. So our shortest side is JL. Our longest side is opposite our largest angle. So our longest side is KL. And what's left? The side opposite the middle dimension, or the middle angle measure, would be JK. And that concludes your study guide for quiz 14.